So lots of love. God bless.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I've been wanting him to come through to me.
He's so thrilled.
You've made my night.
Oh.
I'm very happy that he has come through to me. Yeah, because we had a very happy, long marriage.
He's telling me he always knew best, and so did you, and sometimes there'd be a little bit of a clash.
If we knew we were right, we were right. But if we weren't, we were never ashamed to say, well, I'm sorry, I'm in the wrong. But if we knew we were right, then we were stubborn about it. That's the thing.
And he's just letting you know how close he is, and that he is watching after you both.
I knew there was something. There must be a life here after. Otherwise, why are we here? But the fact that she told me things that she had no idea, I mean, she couldn't know. I truly believe that he's waiting for me now.